The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings.
Happy Sunday everyone. So today is Sunday and we've been doing all the washing, hanging the washing out. I cut the grass as you saw. Oakley's literally just playing in his little car, going up and down. Lee's got the Ninja out to do some homemade burgers. And we're literally just having the most chilled day, yeah? Come in. I thought I'd just pick the camera up and do a little bit of vlogging whilst we're just chilling in the house. If you can see these on my face, also they're just little spot stickers. I'm trying to have like a no makeup day just to refresh the skin. Yeah?
Can I take your phone and ring Nana and then take a photo out and then Nana can see my car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which Nana?
Nana with Grampy.
Nana with Grampy. Okay, 1 minute. Just gotta go get my phone to take a photo of Oakley in his car, but let's make burgers. Okay, Oakley, got my camera to take a photo for Nana. Oh, that is gorgeous. What are you doing with your finger, darling? You just showing Nana you hurt your finger?
Yeah, and my car.
Oh, your car's so lovely. I love it. You look amazing.
The remnants of a dream.
Got the barbs out.
Shadows
First
you
barbecue
cannot
of
see. I
2025.
brush aside. You're on my mind as we below the deep. I fall into the refuge that is sweet. There's nothing in my view.
Lee's trying out doing like an egg bun, should I say?
Bun.
An egg bun to go with his burger to see how it tastes.
What about the rhyme one? I gotta test if it's any good.
Yeah, test if it's actually worth it or not. Put water on your burger.
Zero carb burger.
That looks really good, to be fair. They're good.
Yeah, really good.
That
yeah, that's
actually
really
looks
good.
good.
Like an alternative to a burger. An excellent idea.
Looks good, but we've got these lovely brioche buns that I'll be having.
The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.
Oakley, is that good? Oakley's just giving the garden a little water now with the hose pipe. All the plants have been watered and he's just over here doing a great job of getting mud all over the pots, darling, aren't you?
Yeah, there's so many.
Yeah, good job.
This grass is gonna grow.
Okay, that's a lot. Go do that big plant over there in the corner. Yeah. Garden looks so much better now it's been cut again. Still have no ideas of what to do up here. So any ideas, let me know down in the comments because we're so stuck still. Oakley put some new grass seeds down on here and we put some fresh soil on it today and it's slowly getting more grassier, so hopefully by summer this will all be actual grass. rather than mud. Okay, can you clean the plant pots a bit? Come over this way. That's it, leave it like that. Yeah, then come and clean these plant pots a little bit. Get all the mud off the sides, that's it. That's better, isn't it? Okay, 2 minutes, Dada. Ready, Dada, in a minute. That's good, Oakley. Make the fresh grass grow. That's it.
How did it stop?
Dada, stop. Woo, good job. Today is Wednesday the 9th of April and it is currently 1:10. I am at home at the moment. I've just made myself a lovely iced honey latte. And so this morning we had Oakley's Easter service at his school and it was literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like his singing, I can't, honestly, it's just so cute. Literally it was like welling up and I had to kind of like look away and stop myself because I could have actually like just burst out into tears. I just wasn't expecting the little singing that was coming out of his little voice, to be honest. Let me try and show you a little video clip. I have cropped just him, but I'm not sure if you can see any of the other kids. Let me have a look. Honestly, just the cutest thing I've ever seen. Just makes you realise how quick they actually grow up and like how much he's come on in a year, nearly a year at being at school. I just can't believe how quickly he's come on. He's so lovely, bless him. Anyway, so after the performance this morning, I dropped Lee to work, came home, I put dinner on for tonight. I've done like a mincemeat curry. So we're having that for dinner tonight. I emptied the dishwasher, I loaded the dishwasher, I've wiped around the sides, I've got things like this that need to go in the, well, to the tip, rubbish that needs to go in the recycling, then I've got that bag over there, Oakley's little Easter bonnet that he made yesterday at his school, which is just adorable. He's got to go back upstairs because he used these this morning. His toys need to go back in the living room. That bin bag needs to go outside in the big bin. And I just have a few bits like that to do, really. I've got to get Lee from work at about 2:30, so I've literally got like an hour before I need to leave. And yeah, I need to also put the washing away upstairs, make sure the dinner doesn't burn, I need to make sure I stir it. But I just really wanted to come on here and have a little catch up quickly, just let you know what I've been up to today. I also phoned the clinic today, so my official test date is tomorrow. I stopped my medication today and my official test date is tomorrow. It's still negative, I have obviously still been tested up to now. That's why that video's gone out on Wednesday, because I knew it wasn't going to change. So I've phoned the clinic up and they've said, yes, stop your medication now. I should come on my period within 1 week. If I don't, I need to call them back. Touch wood, everything will be fine, and I do. Or a miracle happens and I'm just pregnant and the tests just aren't showing. Imagine that, unreal. So I phoned the clinic to let them know. They said, stop your medication. They've booked me in for a review appointment with the doctor and consultant on Thursday the 24th of April in the morning, to go through everything. And I basically said that I'm going to try and get these blood tests done on the NHS that they've recommended, because obviously it's a lot of money to be forking out. And yeah, I'm just going to basically wait and see what they say. I'm going to make sure I've got all of the exact blood tests that I need wrote down, so that when I phone the doctors to book in, that can be also sorted, because I've now got to be referred to the hospital for these blood tests because the doctors apparently don't do them. That's what I'm getting up to currently in life at the moment. Waiting for a period to come. Cooking, cleaning, chilling out. I look really dressed and ready up here, and then on the bottom half I have pyjamas and slippers on, because I cannot be sitting in the house in jeans. And I had jeans on this morning and I was like, whilst I'm doing all of this, pyjamas have got to be on, and I'll get changed again before I go out. Right, I'm going to do it right now. Oh, look how nice this curry looks. It's been cooking now for about an hour, I want to say. Just turn it down really low because I don't want it to burn, but I just want to basically slow cook it. Oakley also brought this home the other day from school. They had little flower seedlings and he put it into a little pot, and they brought it home to hopefully try and get us a sunflower. Although today there's no sun over there, so I might actually move it here for today because it needs 6 to 8 hours of sun apparently. I might actually put it outside because it's really hot today. And there is blaring with sun, so it'll get the full 6 hours that it needs, hopefully sat there. But I've just got a few bits of washing on here that's dry, that needs to be taken off and taken upstairs, and I'm going to put all of the rest of the socks and pants on to wash. That is in the washing machine ready to go, and then hopefully get them dry. To be honest, I always put my smalls, I put them on wash and then I put the tumble dryer on because I can't be bothered. Sorry, this is really noisy. I can't be bothered to be pegging it all out and trying to dry smalls. Especially Oakley socks, they're like so tiny. But if I pick the camera up, it's actually going to motivate me to do it. If not, I might just sit down and watch a YouTube video. So this is my production for today. Kids broke up from school on Friday, so I've just kind of been planning after 2 weeks. So I've just kind of been planning my days because I am working a few. Got childcare for a few, so that obviously I'm working. And then I've just messaged my friends to try and arrange a few bits with their kids because one of my friends, her kids aren't at school, they are at nursery, but she's working, so also trying to arrange that. And the other friend, her one daughter's in nursery and the other one's at school, so I'm trying to arrange that because I've only actually got 3 days that I'm free over the holidays, and I was the one who decided to message and try and arrange something because we always try and do that anyway. And yeah, then I was like, oh, I've actually only got 3 days, guys. But yeah, we're sorting it out, so I'm trying to kind of arrange that so that I can see friends, and we've got some nice plans over Easter holiday. Otherwise, I just feel like I hate planning stuff on the day because people are always busy. I think when you're planning things with people, you've kind of got to do it ahead so that you know what you're doing. I don't like waking up in the morning and being like, right, what am I doing today? I try and kind of plan it and arrange it before so that we know what we're doing. Oh, I've also been really organised and actually booked Hickory Smokehouse for Father's Day, which is in June. With that for me, I thought I'm doing it now because if not, it'll come closer and it'll be fully booked, and then I'm like, right, where can we go? Because it's Sunday as well. So I booked Hickory Smokehouse for Father's Day, and they had like every time available. So yeah, absolutely perfect. I'm gonna hit my head. Let's take the bin stuff out. So dark in the hallway. I always think this every time I come into the hall, like, why is it so dark? Because our front door's like glass and then the outside's like PVC with little square windows, so it's like really dark, guys. It's really dark. Little bit of incense going just to get rid of that smell of fried onions from the house. Really smart it then when I just walk back in. Also open that so I know when that's finished. Now let's take these upstairs. I feel like this little corner over here is turning into Oakley's make it corner. Every time we make something, I'll just kind of put it over here. It's looking pretty cute. Our little shells from holiday. Oakley's little feelings monster, then his little name. He's done like a jumpy frog. His Easter bunny, a plane that he made, and my lovely card. I keep jumping topics today. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I've gone from having no plan of action. Oh, who's saying that? So just also catching up on a little bit of work on my phone, weirdly. Getting back to a few clients, cancelling some appointments, moving an appointment. the joys of being self-employed. Sometimes it has its highs and lows, I tell you. Okay, let's go put the washing away. So all them jobs are done around the house now. I've hoovered, poured the washing away, put washing on, put washing out. I've just got to wash these up when I get home. Now it's time to go. Right, that dinner's off. Now it's time to go and get Lee from work. It's 2:20 and mine and Lee's mum should also be probably in the hall now waiting for Oakley to come in because he's got an afternoon performance as well. So they're going to watch his little afternoon performance. So yeah, that'll be fun for them and he's really excited for them to go and watch him as well. So I'm just going to go and pop these bags in the car now from the shopping, get Lee from work, and I'll catch up with you all in a bit. So I picked up these little moons with honey roasted pistachio inside. Ice cream wrapped in soft rice dough. Oh my word, it's like mochi ice cream. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they look so good. Wait 5 minutes before eating, it says. So I'm going to give these 5 minutes and then let's do a little taste test. Taste testing the mochi.
That's weird.
Oh my god, that's weird. The texture on the outside got really soft.
Is it good?
It's really good. If you like that texture, then is it mochi?
Yeah. It's rice dough. Are you ready to try yours? Do a taste test. Come up here then. Taste test, Oakley. Have a bite. Give it a minute, give it a minute. You have to try a bit more because the ice cream's inside it. Look, if you bite some more, the ice cream's actually inside there.
What did you do that? Did you make eyes?
It looks like ice, doesn't it?
and the mouth.
Yeah. That's good because it doesn't melt on your hands, does it? Is that good? You like that? That's called mochi ice cream.
Mochi.
Is it good? Would it, Oakley, what would it be? Oh, a 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, yeah.
Get off. I've just done a taste test of that mochi. Sorry about the noise, like Oakley's got his cars going over there. That is so good. If you've never tried it before, the outside's like a bit stretchy. It's like rice dough. But look at the pistachios. Beautiful. So for the rest of the night, we literally relaxed and chilled watching telly. Oakley had a nice bath and went to bed. Then the next day, it was Saturday, so Lee had work at 10 o'clock. We decided to go for a little Wetherspoons breakfast. Just me, Lee and Oakley. And then Lee went to work for the day. I went to pick my mum up. We went to see my nan. And had a little mooch around Sutton because that's where my nan lives. We went to the park with my mum and her little dog, and then it was time to pick Lee up from work. So we got an Indian takeaway, had a shower, and it was bedtime, and that was basically our Saturday night. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
Good. I'm not afraid.